It staggers the imagination, the sheer volume of high explosives dropped in the Vietnam War. American warplanes delivered almost 7.5 million tons of bombs, more than 3 times our total for all of World War II. The helicopter came of age as a military machine. Thousands of helicopters ripping the jungle apart, hunting for an enemy who remained, for the most part, invisible. Aircraft carriers circled offshore, hurling fighter bombers into the sky. Giant B-52s delivered a devastating payload. They left the earth below marked like a moonscape. 7.5 million tons, and the enemy fought on. The Vietnam War was a textbook study in the uses and limitations of air power. One measure of the air war was the number of sorties flown. A sortie is one mission by one airplane or helicopter. In the course of the Vietnam War, American aircraft flew almost 14 million sorties. These were some of the warplanes used: Phantom, Corsair, Intruder, F-111, Thunder Chief, B-52, Skyhawk, and Puff the Magic Dragon, also known as Spooky, a transport plane equipped with 3 Gatling guns, each capable of firing 6,000 rounds a minute. It flew at night to avoid ground fire, but carried flares to light up enemy positions. Puff was especially valuable in defending bases against nighttime attack. A terrifying barrage of fire also was provided by helicopter gunships. One day in 1967, Bruce Morton went along on a helicopter mission.
Below is the Iron Triangle, a free strike zone. Anything unusual down there is a target. Above 1,500 feet, the gunships are out of effective rifle range. Sometimes they attack from there. More often, they roar in a foot or two over the trees, dodging and twisting to avoid return fire, the most spectacular roller coaster in the world. The guns go off with a sound like 1,000 rifles echoing in a small room. Those are rockets hitting, leaving their gray smoke trails behind them. Most of the targets are anonymous, like these. The thousands of rounds are aimed at map coordinates or a landscape feature, a hillside, a few houses. The pilots see their tracers going in. Sometimes they see the enemies coming back. They seldom see people. After a short run that seems long, the firing stops. Down below, nothing moves. Anything living is hiding. Aboard the gunship, the noise of the motor, which was loud, seems almost quiet.